Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ready to simplify your health tracking? Connecting your Garmin watch with MyFitnessPal lets your fitness and nutrition data flow seamlessly. Imagine your daily steps, workouts, and calories burned all automatically updated in one place. It truly makes monitoring your progress so much simpler, helping you stay motivated and on track with your goals. This integration brings your entire health picture together for you. Before we dive in, let's make sure everything is set up. First, open your Garmin Connect app and log in, then do the same for MyFitnessPal. It's important to have both applications installed on your smartphone and to be logged into your respective accounts. Double-check that you're running the very latest versions of each app, as this helps prevent any potential connection issues later on. Getting these ready ensures a smooth linking process for you. Now, let's begin the actual linking process. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. From the main menu, you'll want to find and tap on Apps and Devices. This section lists all the other services MyFitnessPal can connect with. Once you're in this area, simply scroll through the list of available integrations until you see Garmin Connect. Tapping on this option will begin the connection sequence for you. After selecting Garmin Connect, a new window will pop up asking you to log into your Garmin account. Go ahead and enter your Garmin credentials there. Once logged in, you'll see a list of the data MyFitnessPal is requesting to access, such as your activity, steps, and calories burned. Take a moment to review these permissions, then simply tap Allow or Authorize to grant access. This finalizes the link, enabling your data to start syncing between the platforms. It's always a good idea to check your MyFitnessPal dashboard after connecting to ensure your Garmin data is pulling through correctly. If you ever notice that data isn't syncing, try relinking the apps or even refreshing your accounts. For persistent issues, Garmin or MyFitnessPal support teams can offer more specific assistance. With this connection, you're all set to enjoy a more integrated approach to your health and wellness goals, making tracking easier than ever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.